This is the SSE 400 Plus for surgical diathermy. This is the power switch here. This is the monopolar foot switch connector, the bipolar foot switch connector, the patient plate connector, the hand switch connector, and the bipolar connector for bipolar hand instrument and bipolar cord connector. This knob is to access the cut mode. The knob can be rotated clockwise for increasing the cut or anti-clockwise for decreasing the cut. It's marked from 0 to 10, can be adjusted as per required. This is the coagulation knob, calibrated from 0 to 10, and this is the bipolar knob, which is calibrated from 0 to 10. This is the mode button under the cut calibration, which can be set to pure, blend 1 or blend 2. The mode button in the coagulation calibration can be set to spray, fulgurate or desiccate. The bipolar has no mode button. This is the back side of the machine. This is the exhaust fan here. This is the volume control knob. This is the power socket connector, and this is the fuse underneath it. This is the external earthing connector. This is the power cable. This end will be connected to the machine, and the other end will be connected to an electrical power source. This is the monopolar foot switch, and this is the connector. This will be connected to the machine as shown. This is the bipolar foot switch and the connector that's connected to the machine as demonstrated. This is the patient plate, and the cables are connected as shown. These ends are connected to the patient plate port. This is the patient plate, and the cables from the machine are connected here. This is the monopolar hand switch, which is disposable. This point is connected to the machine, while this point is for the patient's body. The following is a demonstration of the machine. We first switch on the machine. First, we demonstrate the cut mode. We keep the mode on blend 2. We keep it to blend 2. We adjust the knob for the right amount of power. This is the cut button. We push the button and start cutting. This is the coagulation section. The mode is in fulgurate. We dial it to 4. This is the hand switch for coagulation button. This is the monopolar active hand jack, and these are its blades. It has 2 points. This point will be used with the blade on the patient body. We insert the other point into the hand switch connecting port. We'll now demonstrate how to use the blade and connect it. Once we've adjusted the blade, we'll demonstrate how to use the blade. We'll use the monopolar cut coagulation with the help of the foot switch. This is how we cut. The LED lights up when the process of cutting is in progress. This is the bipolar cable. This point is connected to the bipolar port. This portion will be connected to the bipolar forcep. We can attach the forcep as shown. The bipolar forcep is now ready for use with the help of the bipolar foot switch. The LED lights up when the bipolar forcep is in use.